I tested this 1/4 inch spiral Upcut router bit in both hardwood and softwood, and it performed well for general routing and slot cutting. The solid carbide construction feels durable and the cutting edges are sharp. It does a good job clearing chips and keeping the cut cool, especially on deeper passes and plunge cuts. The cut quality was smooth with minimal tear out on most cuts. This would be a great bit for dados and grooves, CNC routing, inlay work, plunge cuts, or general shop use. It has a sharp carbide cutting edge, good chip evacuation, smooth cutting results, a standard 1/4 inch shank that fits most routers. Like most Upcut bits, you may get a slight top edge fuzzing depending on the wood grain, but overall, this is a great general purpose spiral bit that performs well for the price and is useful to keep in the shop.